A fishy. Yeah, where's the other fishy? Where's the other? There it is. Where's the hat? Where's the hat? No, that's a fishy. Where's the hat? That's a fishy. Where's the hat? Yeah. Okay, how about where's the duck? Yeah, good job. Where's the octopus? That's the ball. Where's the octopus? No, that's the giraffe. Where's the octopus? Good job. Where's the monkey? Yep. Where's the key? Good job. Where's the lion? Where's the lion? Good job. Where's the queen? No, that's the violin. Where's the queen? No, that's the ball. Where's the queen? Where's the queen? No, umbrella. Where's the queen? You want to try a different one? Okay, where's the turtle? Where's the turtle? You know where it is. Where's the turtle? There it is. Where's the hat? No. Is that the hat? Yeah. Where's the umbrella? No, that's the lion. Where's the umbrella? You know where it is. You already point. There you go. Where's the giraffe? Yeah. Where's the zebra? Zebra? No. That's key. Where's the zebra? You know where it is. Where's the zebra? Giraffe. Is that the zebra? Where's the ball? Yeah, where's the elephant? Yeah, where's the violin? No, that's octopus. That's seal. Where's the violin? No, duck. Alright, where's the lion? Where's the key? Where's the ball? Where's the rabbit? No, that's the yak. Where's the rabbit? No, where's the rabbit? Is it next to the fishy? Yeah, where's the fish? No, yeah, where's the other one? Yeah, where's the hat? Where's the giraffe? No, where's the giraffe? Is it next to the rabbit? Where is it? No, where's the giraffe? Yeah, where's the umbrella? No, where's the umbrella? Is this the umbrella? Good job. Where's the seal? Yup. Where's the ice cream? Yup. Where's the xylophone? Is it below the ice cream? Where's the xylophone? Is that the xylophone? Yep. Where's the key? Alright, now destroy them. Break them up. Yeah, good job.